In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your property on booking.com. To get started, open your web browser and go to booking.com. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official site. This is the right place to begin if you want to register an accommodation and start the setup process for hosting guests through the platform. From the main page, look for the option that says List Your Property. Click on that to move into the partner registration area. This is where Booking.com guides property owners, managers, and hosts through the process of creating a listing. In some cases, this may redirect you to the Booking Partner sign-up page, which is completely normal. After clicking into the property listing section, you'll begin the registration flow for adding your hotel, apartment, vacation rental, or other accommodation. At this stage, the platform is designed to help you set up the basics of your listing step by step. That usually includes creating your partner profile, entering your property details, and going through any required verification steps. It's a good idea to have your basic business and property information ready before you continue, because that can make the setup much smoother and faster. Once you're on the sign-up page, look for the button labeled Get Started Now. Click that to begin the actual onboarding process. This is the point where Booking.com starts collecting the information needed to create your property listing and prepare it for review and publication. As you go through the setup, be careful to enter your property details accurately. Clear and complete information helps avoid delays and makes your listing more useful once it goes live. Even though the platform walks you through everything, taking an extra minute to review each section can save you time later. One quick note: if you happen to see information related to promo codes for guest bookings, that applies to travelers using Booking.com, not to the property listing process itself. So if your goal is to add a property, stay focused on the hosting or partner registration path. And that's the starting process for listing your property on Booking.com. Go to the official website, click List Your Property, and then select Get Started Now to begin registration. From there, you'll continue